G'day, it's Ash from Jetmaster, and today we're doing a product walkthrough of our outdoor barbecue fireplaces. So Quadro, as per the name, is 4 fireplaces in one. So the first thing you can see here is that we've got built into it a hot plate down below here and a cast iron griddle here as well to cook on top of. Number 2 is the pizza oven, which comes standard with it as well. So much the same as a pizza oven that you'd expect in a wood fire situation, with some nice stone down below there to be able to make sure you get a nice crust on the pizza. And that also comes standard with the paddle for the pizza as well underneath there. The third function of this outdoor fireplace barbecue is the potjie pot, which is basically designed that you can cook soup or stew inside there and do a slow cook inside your outdoor barbecue at the same time there as well. The entire fireplace is basically based on the same dimensions of what our 1050 Universal is. And what that means is that you can actually have a roaring fire in here in your outdoor area once you've completed your barbecue. And the really cool feature of that is that all this griddle plate and everything that we've got here can slip out and then go straight underneath the log pan that we've got there. So then you do have an open fronted fireplace with really nice clean lines, which is what the Jetmaster Universal does offer to the Australian market. So that's our wrap up of the outdoor fireplace barbecues that we do. For further information or to find your local dealer, go to our website www.jetmastervic.com.au.